Hey everyone, so I wanted to give you a portfolio update as well as show you exactly my trades today. I made around $5,300 today. I applied for Robinhood Gold after I saw that the market was just super red, and I wanted to take advantage of the deeply discounted stocks that I saw. So right now my account is sitting at $81,541.31. A huge hit today. I don't panic sell. I think panic selling is not right. If you invest in something, you know, I think I chose good companies. So anyway, I applied for Robinhood Gold, and the first 30 days are free. So I was going to, and I did, trade on margin. And so what that means is I borrow money from Robinhood and I can use that money to buy stock and or options or ETFs or options, whatever I want, and try to make more money with borrowed money, which is leverage or trading on margin. So I got a lot of buying power today and I was having fun. So I want to go through my trades about what I did. My first one that I ever did trading on margin traditionally through a broker is EH. And so I bought this morning 100 shares at $46.11. So at 7:59 a.m. that's what I did. So I'm in it about $4,600, and then I sold it 10 minutes later at 8:09 a.m. for $47.50. So that was gross profit of about $140 or $140 right there. So that was pretty good trade for my first, trade on margin the traditional way. Then I bought a lot more. I bought at 8:13 a.m. I bought 500 shares at $47.53. And then later in the day at 2:17 p.m., I sold those 500 shares at $49.94. So that was about a $1,200 gross profit gain right there. So let's go to my other ones that I did today. My other ones, I did one option with CCIV, and then I did two trades. So let's go down here, and these are pretty bold trades. So, they're pretty risky, but I felt like I could, make some money here on the volatility. So let's see. Okay, so we have, let's see, those are older. Bye. Okay, so this one, I started with 700, shares of my own shares that I bought with cash. So I sold 7 contracts this morning at 8:57 a.m. at $1.35 a share. So $1.35 a share. And so 700 times 1.35 is $945. So I got that money in premium, which is amazing. And these were for $95 calls. They're covered calls on 319. So less than a month. Anyway, on those ones, if you see right here, actually, let's see. Can I see them here? Let's go to this and we go up to the $95 call. So the high was $1.40 today. So I sold mine at $1.35. So I almost got the peak, it was basically, just about the peak. And I sold it at 55 cents. So the low was 10 cents. So I, on that trade, let's go back here to CCIV. I bought back my covered call at 55 cents per contract or per share. So 7 contracts. So I had to pay to get these contracts back $385. So $945 minus $385 is $560 that of gross profit that I made on this trade. So let's go to the other big trades that I did today. So I started out with this one of actually buying shares at 10:04 a.m. I bought 1,000 shares at $37.50. And then at 10:26 a.m., I sold those same 1,000 shares at $40. So 40 minus 37.50 is $2.50 times 1,000. That's a gross profit of $2,500. And then this one right here is I bought even lower, $36 I bought 1,000 shares at $36. So I'm in at 36,000 at 1:27 p.m. And then at 3:29 p.m. today, I sold those same shares for $36.90. So I made $900 right there. So in total, if you add those up, I made about $5,300 gross profit, which is absolutely amazing. I know it's a riskier play, but I felt like I could make some money. It was really volatile today, and that was some pretty good gains, excuse me. At the end of the day, Workhorse, I saw, well, not at the end of the day, but I saw Workhorse just completely plummet. I was actually thinking of buying Workhorse earlier today around $25, and I am so glad I didn't, because Workhorse came out with, or not Workhorse, but the United States Postal Service got the contract with to basically upgrade or modernize the United States Postal Service's fleet, of their electric vans, their vehicles, and Oshkosh Defense got the deal instead of Workhorse. And so because of that, there was a huge overreaction where it dropped, we're down like 11% right here, and it went all the way down to, down 56, almost 57%. And so I sold out of my CCIV, this one, the $36,000, and then I sold it for $36,900. I sold out of that one so I could buy Workhorse, and I bought 5,000 shares. Average cost $15.57. The market value is $75,500. And I'm down currently about $2,000 or so. And I really think that this is going to bounce back, because this is a huge overreaction play. I think that we could see this come up to maybe $18 or $19. And if that is the case, every dollar that this goes up, I make $5,000. So I think, if we look at the chart, these charts, the 3-month chart doesn't really factor in. Oh, there it goes. I mean, look how low it is in the past 3 months. I was buying this stock. Let's see, I bought around 1685 around here, and I sold it right up here around 27. So I made about $2,000 there because I had 200 shares. But this is a super, super, super big overreaction. And, if this goes up $5, even $5 from, where I'm at it, I make $25,000. And I think the probability of this going up and rebounding is extremely high, because I learned from Charlie from Zip Trader, every action in the market is an overreaction. And this is a ginormous overreaction. And, if I make, even if this goes up $4 from where I bought it at, if it goes up to $19.57, I just made $20,000. So That's pretty impressive. I'm super glad I bought the dip. Yes, trading on margin is very risky, but I think I'm getting in good deals, and I'm not being terribly greedy, but I'm making these small trades. And I today I made about $5,300. So it's been a great trading day for me. I don't understand what my charts are doing, but it says I got up to like $179,000 today. I don't know why it's saying that, but I don't think it's accurate. I think this one is more accurate, the 1 year mark. So my account did hit $100,000 last week, which was absolutely amazing. And if I hit a pretty good home run with this workhorse, I could be well above $100,000 with this trade. So I'm super pumped about the stock market this week. Yes, it was very devastating to see CCIV tank. My original cost in this with the shares, the 700 that I personally bought with my money, is like around, it was 1831. So I was up, basically around 100%. Actually, now it would be a little bit less than 100%, but I made some really good money on this today on CCIV. So yeah, this is a portfolio update. Oh, also I did I did an instant deposit because I saw that ACIC. This is a stock that I was like really wanting to get into. I saw that this was down and I was like, holy cow, I need to get into this. So I bought 80 shares and at $12.63. And they are merging with Archer, which they're like a flying vehicle that is going to transport people around to help reduce traffic in the future, and just make it more convenient for people. So these were my stock trades today, and I hope this video helped you and inspired you as to what can happen. We will see what happens with Workhorse. I think it's a huge overreaction. I hope you found this video useful and valuable, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.